Welcome back with another video on tryhackme.com. This is Zain Azir and we are doing Active Directory Basics. This is the part 2 of this video. In the first video we had covered task 1 to task 3 and today we're gonna cover from task 4 to task 6 hopefully. Let's get started. So I already started the attack box and also the AD basics underscore v 1.2 and I already opened the Active Directory users and computers window. Let me reconnect. Okay, in the meantime, managing users in AD. Your first task as the new administrator or domain administrator is to check the existing AD OUs and users, as some recent changes have happened to the business. You have been given the following organizational chart and are expected to make changes to the AD to match it. So we have management, then we have marketing, sales and IT. So the management will come here. We have marketing will come under here. Yes, I cannot do this because I don't have the access. Okay. Deleting extra OUs and users. The first thing you should notice is that there is an additional department OU in your current AD configuration that does not appear in the chart. We have been told it was closed due to the budget cuts and should be removed from the domain. If you try to right click and delete the OU, you will get the following error. You do not have the sufficient privileges to delete whatever. Alright. By default, the OUs are protected against accidental deletion. To delete the OU, you need to enable the advanced feature in the view menu. Okay. So we have research and development, right? So we want to delete this. Okay. In order to do that, we need to enable the advanced feature. Let's go to that advanced feature. Here we go. This is the advanced feature. Okay, advanced feature. We clicked on it. Nothing happened. But yeah, the window itself is changed. This will show you some additional containers and enable you to disable the accidental deletion protection. To do so, right click on the OU and go to the properties. Here we go, and properties, and in the object you just need to uncheck apply and okay, and now we can delete it. Be sure to uncheck the box and try deleting the OU again. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to delete the OU. As a result, any users, groups or OUs under it will also be deleted. So we have Bob under it, right? Let's confirm it. We have marketing, we have management at the top, we have IT and we have sales on top. Let's delete this. Yes, and it is deleted. Awesome. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to delete the OU. As a result, any users, groups or OUs under it will also be deleted. So it's a cascading effect. After deleting the extra OU, you should notice that for some of the departments, the users in the AD don't match the one in our organization chart. Create and delete the user as needed to match them. Okay. For me, let's just continue unless they ask us. We will be using these users. Otherwise, we'll just move forward. Okay. Let's continue. Delegation. One of the nice things you can do in AD is to give specific users some control over some OUs. This process is known as delegation and allows you to grant users specific privileges to perform advanced tasks on OUs without needing a domain administrator to step in. One of the most common use cases for this is granting IT support the privileges to reset other low privilege users passwords. According to our organization chart, Philip is in charge of IT support, so we will probably want to delegate the control of resetting passwords over the sales, marketing and management OU to him. Okay, so let's do that. Delegate control, continue. and here we need to add Phillips. Let's add Philip. Check name, since we already have it. Click OK. For this example, we'll delegate the control over to the Phillips. Okay, we've done so. This should open a new window where you will first be asked for the users to whom you want to delegate the control. Note, to avoid mistyping the user's name, write Philip. We have done so already. Click check names. Window will auto-complete the user for you. This is very nice feature. Click OK or next. On the next step, select the following options. Okay, so we want it to be reset user password. Let's see what else we have. We have create, delete, manage user account. We have reset user password and force password change at login, read all user information, create, delete, and manage groups, modify the membership of a group, manage group policy links, generate resultant set of policy, planning, logging, create, delete, manage inet, org, person, reset inet, organization, person, password, and okay, read all inet, okay. And we can create also our custom delegate as well. Okay, so let's click next here and finish. Okay, click next on the couple of times, and now Phillips should be able to reset the password for any user in the sales department, while you would probably want to repeat these steps to delegate the password reset of the marketing and management department. You will leave it here for this task. You are free to continue to configure the rest of the OUs if you desire. So you're gonna just continue. Now let's use the Phillips account to try and reset Sophie's password. Here are Phillips credentials for you to log in via RDP. Can we do that? Is there any way to do that? Or you can use the switch user here. Okay, so let's disconnect. I will ask us for the username password. Okay, wait a moment. What if we just say lock and there is a way to, I don't know what was the setting, control shift something. Just a moment, let me search it out. There is a way to change it. But it's saying WinAx. I don't think so. That place, how to change your username account. What if we go here and so since we cannot change anything here, so we need to go through the remote desktop way. So let's go to the attack box. I'm not connected with any of the VPN, so I have just the attack box here without connecting to the VPN. So what we need to do is we need to use our desktop here. Okay, so in order to install it, you need to do sudo apt install or desktop. Okay, it should not take much time. For me, I already installed it in a attack box. For you, it will take a little bit of time, maybe a few minutes. Once you are done, just do like this, or desktop stop, and then the IP address 10.10.42.14, which I can see it here. Target IP address, enter. It should open like this. So let's go to the username that we need to use, and here we go. So we need to go with THM, then Philip. All right, and then the password is CLAIRE 2008. Let's try that and let's see. As you can see, also the sign into THM is there because we changed the domain we want to log into, and we are hopefully logged into the using the Philip account. All right. As you can see, this is just our desktop window here. You can minimize it, and our other windows is already there in the second tab here in the bottom. All right, let's continue. Now when connected via RDP, they should have mentioned some specific software, because RDP, there are many ways to do the RDP, and the most effective way which I can think of is our desktop. While you may be tempted to go to the Active Directory users and computers to try and test Philip's new powers, he doesn't really have privileges to open it, so you will have to use other methods to do password resets. In this case, we will be using the PowerShell to do so. All right, so let's see PowerShell. We need to open the PowerShell, so just search for PowerShell, and here we go. Enter. Okay, let's do that. And set AD account password. Why it is not auto completing? So what you do is you just mention the command that you want to execute, okay, in lowercase, and press tab. It will automatically give you the suggestions. Okay, account password. Let's see. Yeah, it is working. It took a little bit of time at first, and now it is okay. Reset, and then a new password. Read host secure string prompt new password. So it will be taken from us at runtime. Once we run this command, it will prompt us for the new password. Okay, so let's execute. Here the new password we need to do. What is the new password we need to do? Since we would not want Sophie to keep on using the password, we know we can also force the password reset at the next step. Okay, let's go with password PAT_SSWORD, and here we go. The verbose performing operation set on target. Sophie OU is sales, and OU is THM, DC THM, and this is local. All right, we have done so. Okay, so in order to make sure that she will change her password, so we need to execute this command. Either you can just copy paste it. I will just write the command just to know that this is available. So the next time I get this scenario, my mind will say that there is a command, and even if it is I cannot remember the full command, I will know that okay, there is a command, and I will search online and do the bidding. All right, so always try to enter the command manually, so you will build some muscle memory about this command. Right, sometimes you mess up like I have done. So set what I'm missing here. Identity. Yeah, spelling is wrong. Here we go. We have done so. Log into the Sophie account with your new password and retrieve a flag from Sophie's desktop. Sure. So in order to do that, let me close this and let me log out. Okay, we are back here. Let's go back. This time THM, and it is Sophie, SOPHIE, and password is PAWD. And once I click login, username and password is incorrect. What? THM. What about now? This was the password that I have. The spelling is right? SOPHIE. We have done something wrong. So let's go back to the Phillips. Philip. Password is Clary 2008 or Claire 2008. What is happening here, man? Okay, Philip double L. All right. Okay. Again, PowerShell. Let's this time just copy paste the command. Okay. Enter. Password is just password. PASSWORD. Enter. Does not meet the length and complexity. Sure. Okay. And let me execute the next command here. Paste. Why it is not taking my command? What is happening here? Just let me add set and user change password at log on should be true minus identity is SOPHIE verbose. Alright, it's done. I hope it is done because I'm logging out. And at this time, let's go with Sophie, THM, so PHIE, PASSWORD. I'm not sure what I'm doing here wrong. Wait a moment, guys. So since our remote desktop is not working, maybe the commands are not working we don't have the permission, or maybe it will take a lot more time to execute the commands. So I went back to the machine where we already logged in as administrator with the password, specific password here. So let me reset from here, right? Reset password. User must change the password at the next login. So the password is PASSWORD and again PAD. Alright, let me do that from here. Password SOV has been changed. Alright, so let's go back and let's try if we can do that here. Alright, so let me go back to the task that we were doing. Here we go. PHM Sophie, and here is the password that I had mentioned, but as you can see, it is not letting me log in. I don't know why. Try domain name and domain user. This is what we have done exactly. Okay, let's do one thing. So this is Sophie. Let me reset the password. One, two, three. All right. I will remove this. User must change the password at next login. All right. Let's do that. Sophie with the S capital. Shouldn't make any difference, right? Let's go back. All right, so PHM. So let's try with small. Let's try now. Yes. So the problem was if you make it like change the password at next login, if through the remote desktop using the R desktop, I think it is not working. Maybe you try some other software, maybe it will be working fine. All right. So this is the flag that we were looking for. Here we go. We are unauthorized. What is happening here? Okay, wait. Let me refresh the whole room. Oh, I'm logged out, man. I'm logged in again. So let's try. Awesome. The process of granting privileges to a user over some OU or other AD object is called delegation, right? Let's copy paste this one. Delegation, right. Either you type or you copy paste. I'm gonna go with the copy pasting option. Awesome, so we are already, I think, close to 30 minutes now. We're gonna close for now. Maybe in the next video I will try to cover all of other tasks here if they are not that complicated like if it went well, I mean, without any roadblocks. So thank you guys for joining me on this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.